SFOR currently at 0249. We looked at this one last over here on the 3rd. Should have been right here. And then the 4th and then the 5th. The 5th is going to be the last time that we looked at it. I said hold. 0241, hold for a pullback. And 0241, which is going to put you guys at roughly, where are we at here? Wow, I didn't realize that we covered this one down that low. But right here, that red line is where the last time that we've covered this one. I said hold for a pullback down to the 10-day simple moving average within the next few days. Support at 0192 and 0162. Resistance at 0275. I put over here for some reason. Yeah, that was going to be one level right there. I'm not too sure exactly why I put that one there, but either way, we're going to talk about this right now. You guys, obviously, I said it right here. Hold for a few days of pulling back, and you guys are getting that pullback right now, 0248. My personal opinion, I mean, the volume has picked up a little bit here. Seems to be a little bit of profit taking. I would still wait for it to pull back for another day or so to bounce off of this one right here. I would wait for it to pull back a little bit more down to that 10-day simple moving average. And I can actually move this line down a little bit more to the bottom, 0218. I would personally think that the way that this thing has been setting up, that it could be pulling back down to tap that 10-day simple moving average. But when the volume comes in, look at what happens. That volume recoils really quick. You guys kind of see the same exact setup right here with this candle back over here on March 21st. Exact same setup. The following day it came down and tapped it for 2 days and then bounced off of it. I still think that it's going to go a little bit lower here to hit that 0218 before it starts moving off of it. So we're going to be watching for that. When that buying pressure comes in, we will continue to watch for the bounce off the 10-day simple moving average. With that being said, I will hand this off to Joe.
All right, so there's no recent updates on the company since the last time we went over it, so I'll just go read you a brief description of the company. So Strikeforce Technology helps to prevent cyber theft and data security breaches for consumers, corporations, and government agencies. It provides powerful two-factor out-of-band authentication, keystroke encryption, along with mobile solutions. Strikeforce Technology Incorporated is headquartered in Edison, New Jersey, and can be reached at www.strikeforcetech.com, or they have their phone number listed as well at 732-661-9641. So you can give them a call, and I'm sure they will gladly tell you about their company. I'm not sure if they'd be busy though, but you know how that goes. So if you want to do some due diligence beforehand, go right over to that SFOR board, and you go right into the recent filings, their financials, the recent news. Because I know they have some pending lawsuits, and it's not like on the negative side on their end. Because I mean, these guys have some patents. They have sued some extremely large companies. I'd have to go back on the press releases, but I know that I believe it was Microsoft that was, they won a lawsuit against Microsoft. I believe maybe like last year or the year before. I'm just going off of my memory, so I'm not really sure. But that's that. But then they have other lawsuits with other companies that are infringing on their patents. And their patents are pretty secure, obviously, because they have one of the largest or one of the best law firms in the nation. So that's that. So if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it on the SFOR board with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
All right, Strikeforce 0237. Again, watch for that bounce off the 10-day simple moving average. I told you over here it was going to start pulling back down to the 10-day. It still is right now. This 10-day is obviously going to be moving up with the price per share. So again, it might not go down as low as 0216 just because that obviously moves up as it goes. So watch for the bounce here in the next few days. Could tap to 0216 or 10-day simple moving average before the bounce. Resistance at 0269 and 0295. Support 0218 and 0169. Again, Strikeforce, I mean, just a nice steady move up over here. Really, I mean, if you can't call this an uptrend, I don't know what you would call an uptrend. Strikeforce, with that being said, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if this is your first time watching us, and get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks and different stock message boards and forums. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us as well, let us know about it over at investorshangout.com/live.